Hey all, it's finally getting a little better out here in Maryland, so this is FG back with you again. Yeah, it's been a little while since I posted the last video. It's weather hasn't been all that great, and just been basically driving the truck, haven't done much. So this is something that I should have done a long time ago. turn this over. This is the external speaker for my Yaesu 4-band ham radio, FT8900r. So it's basically just been bouncing around in the passenger's footwell, which not only doesn't look very good, but probably is really no good for the speaker either. And I know it's something I've been super lazy doing, because I put that radio in, like, oh, do I even want to admit it? Might be 5 years ago. I'm sure it's at least longer than 4. So anyway, finally getting around to it, and I decided what I'm going to do is mount it to the kick panel. So you can see that I pulled the panel off here already. You come back around, flip that. So I took this, flipped it over, put the brackets the way I wanted them. Took a piece of paper, set it on top, punched the holes through to make a guide for drilling. And then now I'm going to go over to the kick panel itself and punch some holes through it. And I'll be back with you in a moment.
The barometric pressure was 30.19 inches and falling. Now for some observations from the surrounding area. At the Inner Harbor, 75 degrees. At Annapolis, the temperature was 68. Winds north at 5 miles an hour. At Martin State Airport, wind northwest at 13 miles an hour. At Ocean City, cloudy skies. It was 69 degrees. East wind at 9. At Dover.
Alright, so there we have. Everything's installed, and yes, I know those screws are too long, and it doesn't look that great. That's okay. Those are not staying. Those are only proof of concept mounting. I'm going to get some nice black oxide socket head cap screws to mount that so that it looks a lot prettier. But the sound quality I'm pretty happy with. I mean, there's nobody sitting in the passenger seat right now, so I don't know how much difference somebody's foot will make or not, but here it is, just me in the cab with the doors shut.
71.
Pretty good.
Wind northwest at 10 miles an hour. At Raleigh, partly sunny skies. 85. Wind southwest at 13 miles an hour. Now for some observations on the waters. At Colchester Beach, the temperature was 64 degrees. Wind northwest at 3 knots.
Yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. And just as a side note, the radio, the ham is actually wired through a double-way switch, so I can have it on or off with the key, or if there was some disabling going on and the only thing that was still possibly working on the truck was just the main electrical system with the battery, I could turn the radio on demand just by flipping a switch, which goes straight through a fuse straight to the battery, which I detailed in I think it might have been ham radio installed, maybe video 2, I believe. Anyway, that wraps up for today, and I think this came out pretty good. Got it up off the floor, got everything cleaned up. I think it looks a lot better. Get those cap screws installed, and I think it's going to be pretty nice. Call it a day. Until next time, FG out.